Alright, so I just got a brand new 11 by 11. I've just unboxed it and I've just started scrambling. And this is going to be my first solve with it. So my best solve with a 10 by 10 is 19 minutes. So my goal is to get this done in under half an hour. I think I can do it. Hopefully I can. Yeah, we'll see how this goes. Okay. Alright, that's the first center done, and about the time it would take me to solve a 7 by 7. Alright, that's the second center done, and about the time it would take me to solve an 8 by 8. Alright, there's the third center done in 16 minutes. Alright, and that's my centers done in 25 minutes. I'm definitely not going to get sub 30, but maybe sub 35. Oh, there's so much to look at. What do? I do this. So far I've got no pops, which I'm quite happy with. But this puzzle's actually turning quite well, for the fact that it's an 11 by 11. Alright, my first 4 edges. It didn't take too long. Alright, and my last 4 edges. Last 2 edges. I just realized that I'm probably going to get some kind of crazy parity algorithm that's going to take like 100 parity algorithms to solve, and it's... Okay, how bad is it? Let's see... Oh, it's actually not that bad. Oh, I got lucky. It's only going to be 1 parity algorithm. Okay, I did it. I didn't mess up. It's great. My prediction wasn't too far off, hoping to get sub 30. H perm. I'm gonna do ERUH perm because doing M moves would be awful. 34-13. I am happy with that. I was aiming for sub 30, but that's not too bad.